What's going on? Today we're going to be looking at the Leatherman Micra. Features 10 tools, comes in stainless steel, black, red, gray, blue, pink, green. Tools include 420 HC knife, spring action scissors, flat Phillips screwdriver, ruler 4.7 inches, 12.0 centimeters, nail cleaner, tweezers, bottle opener, nail filer, medium screwdriver, extra small screwdriver. Blade length is 1.6 inches, 4.06 centimeters. Close length is 2.5 inches, 6.5 centimeters. Weight is 1.8 ounce, 51 grams. This mini tool is for anglers, hobbyists. It's best action scissors around. It will fit on a keychain.